Welcome to Basics with Toni. This week's video is a half cut crease. It's a quickie because all you need is a rounded brush, a steady hand, and patience. So how I start, I just put a little bit of, I use the Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas. You just put a bit and then blink up, and that gives you the guideline of where to start your cut crease, and then you just follow that line. You just take your time. What I usually do is just relax my arm a bit so that it's literally just my hand moving. And you just follow the natural shape of your eye. As a girl that has hooded eyes and small eyes, the cut crease really revolutionized my whole look. As you can see, they don't match. So what I'm doing is just going back in, because I went a little bit higher on the side that was done already, and I'm just fixing that. Yeah, as I was saying, for us small eye girls, it's revolutionary. If you guys haven't seen my draglets, I will link the playlist above. It totally changes everything. Just knowing how to do a cut crease, you can do so much more. And it's not as hard as you may think it is. But I hope I helped you guys today with another one of my basic tips. And I also soften out the edge because it makes it easier to blend it out in the end. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!